So if you want, you can watch me prepare the stick for my hoe and you can learn something. So if you decide to get one of these and you have small trees in your backyard, you can get a piece and do the same thing I do. The garden, don't forget you gotta show love to the plants. The more love you show for them, the more love you show, the more they produce. I don't know if you guys know these kind of kashi, but when they stick on your skin, man, they like they want to tore your skin up, tore your skin. So right now I'm preparing my garden for the spring. So I'm trying to do as much as I can now because after this, when the grass starts getting green, ain't much you will be able to do. Okay, so now this is what I have. The hoe, and this goes through there. The tighter you do it, the better for you. The tighter you do it, the better for you. See? Very, what you see is tight. So now I got to basically take something and pong it in. So give me a minute. You see how it's already shaped? All ready to walk, huh? All right, give me a minute. I'm gonna use this and I'm gonna rest it right there. And I don't know if you can see what I'm doing. So now I'm gonna be doing this one. So it's gonna be finding its way going through. You see it's coming through. So I gotta keep doing this until it comes through and be very tight. Like I said, the tighter it be, is the better for you. You see? You see? So get it ready to dig. But guess what? I ain't get it in as good as yet, so still got to carry it down. Okay. So now, when you get it like this now, you got to wedge it. See like how it's here, you got to wedge it now. You got to get some and push down inside here to keep it from coming off. Yeah. So I'm gonna carry it down a little more. once you carry it like that, then I will have to cut off this piece. Cut off that piece here. The good thing about it, they put a hole right behind here, so you could put a screw or anything you want. So now it's still moving, so I have to make sure I wedge it that it cannot move no more. So give me a second. I'll be back. I'm gonna use some nails. I really don't have the right thing that I need at this moment. So I'm gonna use some nails for now. This is just to show you how you see, it start getting stiff. So what you're doing, you see all the space around here, you're trying to fold it up. That when you think it wouldn't be moving. This is a very good tool if you're doing farming, if you're doing whatever, if you want to do in your backyard and you want to do your little garden, this is a perfect tool. Hey, not much. Oh, yes, me, yes, me. Yeah, that's my neighbor. No, shouting me out there. But don't forget, guys, you gotta live good with the neighbors also. Because sometimes the neighbors could look out for you if you're not around. So yeah, so the neighbor see he heard my voice, so he look around because he wanna know if somebody is down here or if it's me. So that's very good. Always try to live good with your neighbors. You're supposed to. It's bad when you and your neighbors and them living and you and them is enemy for no reason. Put your little differences behind. You see how it gets stiff now? Put your little differences behind and you guys try to work together. It should never be you and your neighbor is not talking. Yes, I mean sometimes it could be you trying and they just stuck in their ways. You know? Sometimes it's just like that. Okay guys, you see how beautiful it is? It's stiff, it's not moving. This is exactly how you want it. I also can And guess what? I didn't have to pay for the stick. I didn't have to pay for, all I pay for is this. The stick, the wedge. You see what I'm saying? So sometimes it's good to have a little yard. I mean, you want flowers and all kind of stuff, but you need, if I want wood, I can go down there and I can get wood for the fire. I ain't even have to use gas or those kind of stuff. I can cook pan wood if I want. That's what the old people used to be doing. Is these days we want gas. We don't want to smell smoke and them kind of stuff. So if you want that kind of life, you will have to pay for it. And that's what we do in Toddy. But when you have these places, you could survive. I want to show you guys, this is my hook, this is my stick. Look how beautiful, right? In the space of half an hour. No, it's less than half an hour. I have my hoe, have my stick. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna peel all the skin off. Maybe I should show you guys all of that. But first, I wanna demonstrate how to use this hoe, this tool. But what I'm, all these things, you see, watch. You see the skin? I'm gonna scrape off all these skin. I mean, you could use anything and scrape it out, whatever works for you. But now, you see? I can scrape it. I can put it for dry. I can make it look real smooth. That's what I'm gonna do, but I'm just trying to show you guys what you can do with your stick. So you could scrape the whole stick off. But now, I wanna show you guys how to use this tool. Okay? So this is the tool right here. Okay? Now, you see this area right here. Okay? So I'm gonna do a video where I teach you how to dig headow banks, where you wanna plant headow, all this kind of stuff. But let me show you how this works. You see? This is my tool. So now, very good to dig banks. Oh man, this thing is beautiful. This is beautiful, guys. Man, I don't know if you see, but do you see how beautiful that bank looking? I used this thing for years. This is just a little video showing you guys how beautiful this tool is. You see, so now This is just a small one I did because I don't want to make it too long. But do you see this? You see, in the space and no time, look how it pile up the dirt, and then this is where you plant. This area is where you're gonna be planting. You know, up here, and when the rain come, it's gonna be running down in this where I'm walking here. So yes, guys, thank you guys for watching. I hope you all enjoy this journey. Thank you.